My name is Christabel, and I visited Dr. Rajat for a breast reduction surgery because of obviously the problems I was having in both breasts being large and oversized, and as well as asymmetrical. I have had this problem ever since that I can remember for the longest time, and I mean, this being having to do with your appearance, it affects your appearance as in you um, suffer psychologically as well to a certain extent, that because of the large breasts and the asymmetry in them, that you feel conscious and you feel, even though people might see you just looking at you, but you might always have something in the back of your mind that that it's you become self-conscious basically. So that was my concern. And I was doing a lot of research as in looking at before and after pictures, trying to look up surgeons, the best surgeons I would say, to do this procedure, and I came across Dr. Rajat's website, and so I think I went through his website repeatedly, and I just thought that I wanted to meet with Dr. Rajat. So that's how I came across Dr. Rajat. After a lot of going back and forth to Dr. Rajat's website, and then I finally contacted the clinic, Dr. Rajat's clinic, and I spoke with Reena. She is the patient coordinator, and she helped me to set up the appointment. And as normal, as one would expect, that maybe because this is the first time that I was meeting a plastic surgeon, and basically coming into this field with a little knowledge, so I just thought that it would be very natural for one to be concerned or a little nervous. But I think the consultation and Dr. Rajat, the way he explained, and there was a comfort level, I feel, that really played a big role, or rather the major role, in deciding to go with Dr. Rajat, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad. Well, I was a mixed bowl of emotions, because I was excited because I knew that I was going to get relief from problems that I was facing of back pain and the physical displeasement that I had with my chest area, and as well as nervousness, because it was the first time really that I was having any type of surgery being done on myself. So, but I knew that I needed relief more than anything else, and after meeting Dr. Rajat, I would say that whatever concerns and feelings you have before you go into this, when you meet a person who has this experience and knowledge, I think that really puts your nerves at ease to a great extent. The surgery, I would say it went fairly well. I was in the hospital overnight, and the nursing staff, the team of doctors Dr. Rajat has, is really wonderful. And they were always on their toes. The nursing during the stay, the nurses were always on their toes, always checking on you, and time to time giving whatever medication that needs to be given. So and the hospital stay was really excellent. It was really nice. It was really, and especially during these COVID times, obviously, keeping in mind the current situation, but I think everything, they take the best care, is what I would say. They made me really feel comfortable. I was surprised to see the size of it. Surprise as in, it was a good surprise, because I wanted them small than how they were before, and I was really happy, and I would say relieved is the biggest emotion that I felt. Relief is what I felt. In my case, I feel that because of the large asymmetry in my in both my breasts, and the size of it, I feel, I mean, doctor has done a really, I mean, I'm very pleased with the outcome, with the results. And I know it's going to take a little more time for it to, I mean, come into, ease down into its natural, but I'm really happy. And because it was, before it was really huge and disproportionate, and now I feel I'm much more comfortable in my body, is what I feel. Well, I was one of them that I was, scared. I was one of those women, those females in that category where you want to do something about, because it's bothering you so much, but you're still afraid to take a step in that direction. And for me, in my case, I think I was suffering with this for about 20 plus years, and it just came to a point where I felt that I needed to get this done. I couldn't really struggle with this anymore, and the main thing is that to see, and one more thing I would like to add here is that there are plenty of surgeons, and everyone is qualified and they are the best in what they do. But another criteria for me, especially while choosing a plastic surgeon or a cosmetic surgeon, is that I wanted that doctor to be a board qualified doctor, because and Dr. Rajat is, obviously, he is a board certified doctor, and because I wanted to have something that really would stand, the results would really be a long term, and I wouldn't want to have any doubts about my decision. So because this is a big decision to take a step, so that's another thing that was really critical for me in making my decision as well. So my doctor and team is that I am really grateful and thankful, and what you do and the team does is really I would say outstanding, because as a lay person, we going into this, we only have trust in the doctor that we see. So we don't know anything, how it is going to turn out, how it is going to be. We have a picture in our mind, but it's really the trust and confidence you put in your doctor. And I would say the Dr. Rajat and his team of doctors are really, they are top notch. I would say they are good, and I would thank them literally. I would say the scars are not that big of an issue for me. Only reason being, because for any procedure you do, any step you take, any decision you make, there are always going to be side effects, maybe long term, maybe short term, it all depends. But the scars for me, they would fade away in time. It would take time, but I think the relief was much more greater than me worrying about the scars and how it's going to affect me. The scars right now, they're healing good, they're doing fine, and they're really, with the medication and the ointment, they're absolutely fine, and so I'm happy with it.